Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make simple sangria, easy method. Start by choosing a dry red wine and a balance of fruit, sweetener, and optional soda. Chop fruit into bite-sized pieces and mix gently so flavors meld without bruising. Taste and adjust sweetness or carbonation slowly, and chill for a short resting time to marry flavors before serving to friends. In this video, I will show how to make simple sangria, easy method. Gather 1 bottle of dry red wine, 1 to 2 cups of chopped fruit, sweetener, and optional soda or brandy. Use 1 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or simple syrup, depending on sweetness preference, and keep a citrus element like orange or lemon for brightness. Prepare fruit ahead to speed assembly and ensure even flavor distribution. In this video, I will show how to make simple sangria, easy method. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you prep. I like the Oala water bottle for easy sipping and leak-free tops that fit your routine. It's a handy kitchen sidekick when you're juggling chopping, stirring, and tasting. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make simple sangria, easy method. Pour wine into a pitcher, add chopped fruit and your chosen sweetener, then stir once or twice to combine without crushing fruit. Refrigerate for a minimum of 30 minutes so flavors infuse, and only add soda or ice right before serving to keep bubbles lively and fruit texture intact. Serve over ice in short glasses to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.